Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A16s, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. Now, before you get started, you want to grab a SIM ejector, which came provided with the device in the box, so you can find it somewhere between the paperwork. But if you can't, I could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well as this little thing. Now, once you have either one, I'm going to pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the phone, right here where the pin is holding. You want to push it in, and the tray will pop out. And when you take it out, you have space for 2 SIM cards and 1 SD card. You can occupy each one of these spots if you want to, or just selected ones. So I'm going to be using 1 SIM card, as you can see. Anyway, from there, insert it back into the device. Now for me, the tray doesn't want to go all the way. As you can see, it protrudes a little bit, so I'm not sure if this is going to affect... Oh no, it doesn't look like it's going to affect anything. So you can see I already have reception, LTE, and let's see if we have SD card information. Nope, that's from SIM card. I'm trying to locate where the storage info is. There we go. And as you can see at the bottom, it tells us that we have 7.74 gigs available of SD card. So it is reading it as well. Anyway, flash message, okay. So there we go. That's basically it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.